Hem Automation presents its liquor cap slitting and assembling line, a complete solution for liquor cap production. First, the feeding system, with an outer cap bowl feeder, an inner cap bowl feeder, and an accumulator feeder. Caps are oriented and fed smoothly. No jams, no stops. Next, the slitting head. Sharp precision blades create clean, tamper-evident cuts. Every cap uniform, every cut secure. Then the inner cap assembly. The inner component is placed precisely into the outer cap, aligned perfectly for the next stage. Now the assembling unit. Inner parts and outer caps come together, fast, accurate, and reliable. Finally, quality control and counting. Every cap is checked, counted, and ready for packaging. Hands-free and error-free. From feeding to counting, Hem Automation delivers automation with speed and precision. Upgrade your cap production. Contact Hem Automation today.